Okay, so Noises Off. What is this play about? Noises Off is about a lot of things. It's about doors and sardines.
Sorry, lads, there's that door. Bloody won't open.
Sorry, lads, the door won't close.
It's about bags and boxes.
Bag, box, black sheets.
Noises Off was about a group of actors putting up a play.
Day. It's their wedding day.
Now, it really appealed to the people of the club. We thought we could have a lot of fun doing this play, and I think you can see that's kind of what ended up happening.
I am driving.
What are you saying?
My experience with this play, like, I was given a really amazing group of people to work with.
Samyak, put some deodorant.
What was I saying?
I'm talking about the fact that nobody lets me speak.
No, what is she talking about?
Exactly, see?
So just make sure whatever you do on April 15th, you're at the Golden Jubilee Syndicate Hall. Right.